Hello, my name is Emily, and I'm currently majoring in environmental geoscience.
Hi, I'm Rashmika, and I'm also majoring in environmental geoscience.
Today we're going to be representing and replicating sea level rise. So global warming is the increase in average temperature of Earth's and oceans. Since the 1800s, the main cause of global warming has been due to human activities, specifically burning fossil fuels, which releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which traps the heat into the atmosphere. As more gases are released, more heat is trapped into the air. And the average temperature of the Earth's air is currently increasing. Global warming is thought to be just one of the aspects of climate change, which is the overall long-term change in the Earth's climate over one region.
In 2007, a study found that over 634 million people, that is 1 out of 10 people worldwide, live in locations where they just live only 9 meters above sea level, which is concerning because of the sea level rise. In this science project, we're going to represent both the South Poles and the North Poles. In the North Pole, we're going to observe the melting of the polar ice caps, and in the South Pole, we're going to observe the melting of ice sheets and how this affects the sea level rise.
This bin right here represents the North Pole. The water represents the ocean. Here I'm going to add 2 ice cubes. And these represent glaciers. Now as time goes on, you'll see that they will start to melt, which will increase the sea level rise.
Here we have another bin, and this represents the South Pole. I'm going to add a piece of Play-Doh, and this will represent the continent Antarctica. This ice cube represents the ice sheet, which also you will observe that it starts gradually melting and adds to the sea level rise.
Global mean sea level has risen about 8 to 9 inches just since from 1880, with about a third of that coming in from the past 2.5 decades. The rising water level is mostly due to a combination of meltwater from glaciers and ice sheets and thermal expansion of seawater as it warms.
Global warming causes the sea level to rise in 3 ways. The first way being the melting of polar ice caps and ice sheets, and the second way being thermal expansion. So basically, since the heat causes the water to expand, there's more volume of water in the oceans. And the third way is groundwater pumping. So the groundwater is being pumped out and added to the oceans. So in these 3 ways, global warming has been contributing to the sea level rise.
Again, my name is Emily.
And my name is Rashmika.
And thank you for watching this video about sea level rise.